US President Donald Trump's recent tour of the Middle East, including Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates, has reshaped global trade and defense dynamics, with significant ripple effects on India's economic and strategic posture. A major highlight of the visit was Trump securing over $600 billion in investment commitments, including a landmark $200 billion artificial intelligence and semiconductor deal with the UAE. The agreements also allow advanced artificial intelligence chip sales to Gulf nations, reversing earlier US export bans, and aligning with Trump's America First agenda to boost American economic influence in the region. In a landmark defense development, Trump signed a $142 billion arms deal with Saudi Arabia, reinforcing military ties and deepening US influence in the Gulf. These moves are seen as reinforcing the evolving America-Arab-Israel axis, especially amid the strengthening Indo-Abrahamic alliance which include India, Israel, US, UAE, which seeks regional stability and strategic economic collaboration. Meanwhile, the imposition of a 26% US tariff on Indian exports has prompted New Delhi to propose a new trade pact offering near-zero tariffs on American goods, signaling India's proactive approach to maintaining robust trade ties with the US. India's involvement in Middle East affairs is poised to grow, both economically and strategically. As defense, AI, and infrastructure partnerships expand across the Indo-Gulf-Israel corridor, India stands to benefit as a key bridge between East and West, leveraging its role in regional geopolitics and supply chain realignments.